Hello guys, I am Sony. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is easily one of the biggest opportunities I have covered recently because all three companies in today's video are well-known names and the kind of experience they offer can genuinely change your career if you are a fresher or an early career developer. The first opportunity is from Swipe. Yes, the same company that powers online payments for millions of businesses around the world. Second one is for aspiring data scientist where you will get to work with machine learning, AI, and even Gen AI technologies. And third one is perfect for Java developers who want to work on real production software instead of just tutorial projects. So no matter whether you are interested in software engineering, backend development or data science, there's probably at least one opportunity in this video that matches your career goal. And trust me, these are not random mass hiring roles where you will spend your day doing repetitive support work. These are genuinely engineering opportunities, so make sure to watch this video till the end. Let's start with the first opportunity, and they are hiring for the role of software engineer intern in Bangalore. Now, whenever people hear the word internship, they think they will be doing small tasks for different teams, but Stripe specifically mentioned that interns become part of real engineering teams. You will receive actual project, means your work is not isolated. The code you write can directly become part of products used by millions of businesses globally. And honestly, that's exactly the kind of experience recruiters love to see later on your resume. Now, what kind of work will you actually do? You will design and build software features, collaborate with experienced engineers, participate in code reviews, solve engineering problems, test your solutions properly, and continuously improve the quality of the product. You will understand requirements, build solutions, review code, communicate with teammates, and finally deliver production ready software. That's exactly how modern software companies work. Now let's talk about the skills. The company is looking for candidates with strong computer science fundamentals, and data structures and algorithms remain extremely important. Along with that, object-oriented programming, software engineering basics, testing, problem solving, and communication skills are equally valuable. Programming language is also flexible here. They mentioned Java, JavaScript, Go, Ruby, Scala, and several other technologies, meaning they care much more about your engineering capability rather than forcing one particular language. Another thing I really liked is that Stripe expects interns to learn quickly. They specifically mentioned researching unfamiliar systems and adapting to new technologies. And honestly, that's one of the biggest skill companies value today. Nobody expects fresher to know everything, but companies definitely expect you to learn fast. Now let's talk about the eligibility. If you are currently pursuing a bachelor's, master's, or even a PhD in CS, mathematics, or related technical field, you can apply. They also mentioned that candidates with strong computer science fundamentals and at least 2 years of university education are preferred. If you have already practiced DSA, solving coding questions, built projects, or even participated in hackathons, this internship should absolutely be on your first list. Even if getting selected is competitive, applying costs nothing. And if you clear one interview round, the learning experience itself become valuable. So definitely don't skip this one. Now let's move on to the second opportunity. The second company is TriNet and they are hiring an associate data scientist. Now this role is completely different from previous one. If you are someone interested in AI, ML, data science, analytics or Gen AI, then pay close attention to this opportunity. This is a full-time opening for fresh graduates based in Hyderabad. In this job, you will be cleaning data, understand patterns, prepare data sets, build models, evaluate the results, and continuously improve their performance. In simple words, you will understand how business actually convert raw data into meaningful decisions. And that's what makes this role interesting. Another thing that caught my attention is that this company is not only focusing on traditional machine learning, they have also mentioned NLP, LLM experimentation, prompt validation, and Gen AI initiatives, which means you will get exposure to modern AI technologies that are becoming increasingly important across the industry. Now let's talk about the skills. Python is obviously one of the biggest requirements. Apart from Python, knowledge of statistics, machine learning, regression, classification, clustering, forecasting, exploratory data analysis, and problem solving will strengthen your application. If you have built academic machine learning projects, experimented with datasets on Kaggle, or created AI projects using Python, that experience will definitely help during interviews. And honestly, many freshers underestimate academic projects Companies know you are just starting your career. They don't expect years of industry experience. They simply want evidence that you have applied your knowledge somewhere. Now let's move on to the third and final opportunity of today's video. The third company is VDocs, and they are hiring backend developer interns using Java and Spring Boot. This is an in-office internship based in Delhi NCR with a stipend of 5 to 12,000 rupees per month. Now I know some people immediately compare stipends, but don't judge internship by only pay. Instead, look at what you will actually learn. VDocs is building AI-powered healthcare software. That means instead of working on basic training assignments, you will contribute to actual backend systems that support healthcare platforms. And that's very valuable learning opportunity. The company specifically mentioned Java and Spring Boot, which are among the most widely used backend technologies in enterprise software development. During this internship, you will work on backend services, REST APIs, databases, system integration, and production features. You will also learn how software is built inside a startup environment where developers usually work across multiple areas instead of only focusing on one task. That's honestly one of the biggest advantages of startups. You get broader exposure in short period of time. Now talking about the skills, apart from Java and Spring Boot, you should have knowledge of SQL, backend development fundamentals, Git, and your profile becomes stronger. Knowledge of microservices, Hibernate, Docker, or cloud deployment is definitely an added advantage but not mandatory. The company is also offering a PP opportunity, meaning if your performance is good during the internship, there's a possibility of converting into full-time role. That's something many students specifically look for. Coming to the eligibility, this opening is open for undergraduate, postgraduate, engineering, arts, commerce, science, and other students too. So yeah guys, these are, and remember something important. Many freshers think that their first job has to be perfect. It does not. Your first job should help you learn. So don't overthink every application. Apply consistently, keep building projects and improve your DSS skills, improve communication and keep learning new technologies every single week. That's exactly how strong software engineer careers are actually built. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. All the application links are in the description box. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notifications so you don't miss out my next opportunity update video. And as always, I will keep bringing you latest fresher jobs, internships, remote opportunities and high paying software engineering openings from top companies. I will see you in the next one. Till then, keep learning and keep applying. Thanks for watching guys.